Hey everyone, we are at Staten Island, Richmond, Northside at Father Capodanno Blvd Auto. We're standing Northside at Lincoln Avenue, Staten Island, New York, 10306. We're just gonna get into the traffic. Okay, again, this is two lane going in the same direction. Make sure when you guys pulling out, put a signals. Move your shoulder. Again, we're gonna make a left turn. We pass Lincoln. We're gonna make a left turn from Father Capodanno Blvd to Midland Avenue. Just be careful, there is oncoming traffic and there is no arrow for signals, so when it's safe to go, then do make it left turn. We made the left turn. Patterson Avenue is one way, Midland Avenue is two way, guys. This is Verrazano Place, and you see a lot of business as well, so you could see some traffic. Again, this is a single lane and there is a bike lane. You should not drive on a bike lane, guys. We're gonna make a left turn on Freeborn Street. We're gonna wait for the oncoming traffic. As you can see, most of them are pretty much one-way street, few two-way street. We're making a left turn. Most of the roads are pretty wide. We're gonna make a right on Lincoln Avenue. And here is the restaurant. Again, Lincoln Avenue is one-way street. We'll make a right turn. This is Kiswick Street. Again, this is one-way street. We're going straight. We're at Kiswick Street and Midland Avenue. We're stopping twice for the traffic. Nobody's coming, we're going straight. We're gonna make a right turn. This is Bedford Avenue. Bedford Avenue is two-way, guys. It's very narrow two-way. There is no solid yellow line. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn. Again, there is no stop sign, so continue. Okay, we're gonna cross out again the Midland Avenue. We're gonna make a left turn. Just look for the traffic. Just be careful for the bike lane and the safety line. There's a lot of restaurant close by and there is a park. Very nice and quiet place. Streets are pretty decent. And you'll have a Franklin D. Roosevelt boardwalk. We're gonna make a right turn on Father Capodanno Blvd. We'll make a right on a service lane. When you're making a right turn in Father Capodanno Blvd Road, make sure you look for any biker. As you can see, this is a midland field. On other side is Father Capodanno Blvd. Again, when you're making a right turn, you should be more on the right side. We're gonna pass Lincoln Avenue, Father Capodanno Blvd. We'll make a U-turn. As you can see, the sign it says Gateway National Recreation Area here. Staten Island Unit Miller Field. Just be careful when you're making a U-turn. We're just gonna pull over to the right, and as you can see, there's a Verrazano Bridge, and right side there is a parking recreation area. Mostly they might say pull over to the right at corner of Lincoln Avenue and for Father Capodanno Blvd. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the next road to side, and good luck to everyone. Take care.